If your Manscaped trimmer is blinking, don't worry. Most of the time, it's nothing serious and the fix is extremely quick. Let's break down the most common reasons your trimmer blinks and what you can do to get it working again. If the light is blinking and the trimmer won't turn on at all, it's probably stuck in travel mode. Manscaped adds this feature so the trimmer doesn't accidentally switch on inside a bag or suitcase. To unlock it, just press the power button 3 times quickly. You should hear or feel a small confirmation, and the trimmer will power on normally again. If the blinking starts while you're using it, that almost always means the battery is running low. The trimmer is letting you know it doesn't have much juice left. Go ahead and plug it in after you're done trimming so it can fully recharge. A full charge helps prevent it from slowing down or shutting off in the middle of your next use. If you see the light blinking while it's plugged in, that's completely normal. A blinking indicator simply means the trimmer is actively charging. Once the battery reaches a full charge, the blinking will stop and the light will stay solid. Depending on your model, that solid light is usually white or green. If none of these apply, or the trimmer keeps blinking in a way that doesn't match any of these patterns, try giving the charging cable a quick check, wiping the contacts clean, or trying a different outlet. Sometimes it's just a loose connection. With these quick checks, you should be able to figure out exactly why your Manscaped trimmer is blinking and get it back to working perfectly. If this helped, feel free to like the video or drop a comment with any of the trimmer issues you want explained. Enjoy your grooming and stay sharp.